Hello, what's up mga katsikahan? Ayan, so panibagong araw na, no? Papasok na naman tayo sa work. Kailangan natin pumasok lagi sa work, kung hindi nga. Hello, what's up mga katsikahan? Ayan, so ngayon po ay October 16, 2024. At ngayon po ay National Boss Day dito po sa Amerika. Kung batiin ang aking boss, ang aking mga amo, mga boss, to Stephanie, ang aking manager, ang isa pang manager ay si John. Hello John, congratulations. Happy Boss Day! And of course, aming Vice President ng Quality Management. Hello, Dr. Mother. Hello, Happy Boss Day! Ayan, so yan lamang po. Hindi po ako sip-sip, ano? Ayan, binati ko lang po sila. Ayan, shout out!
Ayan, konting trivia lang po, no? Ang Boss Day is generally observed on October 16 dito po sa Amerika. Ano ba ang history ng Boss Day? So according sa wikipedia.org, Patricia Bays Harosky registered a National Boss Day with the U.S. Chamber of Commerce in 1958. She was working as a secretary for State Farm Insurance Company in Deerfield, Illinois for her father at the time and chose October 16, which was her father's birthday.
And to all the boss out there, to all the leaders, you don't have to be bossy to be a great boss. Happy National Boss Day! Bye!